What's going on, Mr. Paul? How are you?
Good. How you doing, Evan?
Good. Just wanted to, thank you for your time getting on here and being able to do a testimonial for Replace Your Mortgage. I am using the company's account, so hence that's why it says Michael Lush in the bottom left-hand corner of my picture. So, he's definitely not as handsome as I am, but we know how that goes. Wanted to get your thoughts on a few things as far as, Replace Your Mortgage goes. When I first spoke to you about Replace Your Mortgage, what were your thoughts on it?
To be honest with you, I didn't think it was something for my wife and I. When you were explaining it to me, I was like, all right, I can see this working for you. You guys have a higher income than us, this, that. But then, so that was my first thought. I was like, yeah, whatever. And I pretty much ignored you a lot
for a year
about it. I'm like, oh, Edmund's talking about that Replace Your Mortgage stuff again. But then when we sat down and ran the numbers, when I finally decided to, explore the Replace Your Mortgage strategy, and we reviewed the numbers, and we're going from 29 years to 10 years, I was like, all right, now you have my attention.
Now, did you ever get a chance to read the free ebook that came with Replace Your Mortgage?
Yep, I read the ebook and went through all that. Michael Lush seemed like he knew what he's talking about after going through the ebook. So that was pretty intriguing. But the numbers that we did on the calculator was probably what kept me rethinking the whole idea and becoming more interested. And because when we ran the numbers, I believe we were getting rid of a lot of debt that my wife had and paying off the house in 10 years from 29 years.
Yeah, so I think when we ran your numbers, we consolidated your debt. We looked at everything, and your total payoff was close to 120 months. And I think at that point in time, you had how many years left on your house?
We had just refinanced 6 months prior to knowing about the Replace Your Mortgage stuff. So still had about 29 and a half years left.
Gotcha. Yeah, man, it's amazing how it works out. That calculator, I think once you have your discovery call and you run through the calculator with individuals, the light bulb kind of goes off, because I mean, it really is just math. So you would say that the calculator and running the numbers and me and you sitting down kind of running through all that is kind of what made you want to finally get on board with Replace Your Mortgage?
Absolutely. It was numbers. Math doesn't lie. Going to be the same outcome every time.
Yeah.
And so that was just, a matter of getting my wife Amy on board with the strategy and getting her to understand it and explaining the numbers. And it was just just kept going through the numbers and doing it again and doing some more research, watching some Michael's YouTube videos that are out there. That's when we decided to pull the trigger.
Cool. Tell me a little bit about, Amy and getting Amy on board. Was that something that was difficult, or was she pretty supportive of it from the beginning?
She was pretty supportive. Because we had been talking about, because we had to do IVF to have our first child, which, medical bills and everything became a little expensive. We had to go through 2 rounds before it actually worked. But we're blessed now with 2 daughters.
Yeah, you definitely are.
That's what, kind of got us in the situation to where we had, accumulated some debt.
Okay.
So we were trying to figure out ways on how to consolidate that in a smart way and without having to be charged fees and our credit scores being ruined.
Yeah.
And, being the fact that we had, fit the criteria of the mortgage strategy. We had, equity in the home, we had positive cash flow after all our bills were paid. So, everything seemed to, I was like, wow, we can get rid of this debt because it was stressing me out, owing this money for all the medical bills and car loan and, credit card debt that just, all stemmed from all the medical bills.
So speaking of medical bills and that sort of thing, what kind of results did you see in the first 6 months to a year After you joined Replace Your Mortgage, you consolidated everything. What kind of results were you getting?
Really good results. It was pretty fascinating, you know, because you do the calculations on the calculator, but then when you actually implement it into, you know, your household, it's kind of neat to see that balance go down so quickly.
It is.
You know, we joined Replace Your Mortgage. I guess it was January of 2018. We got our HELOC March of 2018, and we've already shaved off $70,000 just in 2 years.
That's awesome. That is absolutely amazing.
And we've had very minimal, like, you know, we've both gotten pay increases at our jobs, but nothing too crazy to where if we still had a traditional mortgage,
Yeah.
we would still have, you know, 27 years left, plus probably all that debt we had still.
Yeah, absolutely. So, you know, prior to joining Replace Your Mortgage, did you have like any thoughts in your mind about possibly wanting to just do this on your own without joining Replace Your Mortgage?
Yeah, I mean, I actually went to the same bank that I have my HELOC with and spoke, you know, just a local branch, just to maybe, you know, see if they had any clue about the first lien HELOC strategy, you know, using it as your checking account and being able to utilize your entire income to help you interest paid. And, you know, I already knew they had the product because I saw it online. So I was go in there, speak to somebody. And just like Michael said on his YouTube videos and, you know, what the information you gave me from the discovery call, yeah, banker was trying to like act like I was an idiot and didn't know what I was. He was like, why would you want to go to a higher interest rate and it be and not be fixed?
Yeah.
And I tried to explain to him, he just wasn't grasping the idea and kept kind of wanting to show me mortgage products.
Isn't it funny how that works? I had the same experience. I interviewed about a dozen banks prior to joining Replace Your Mortgage, and it was a complete waste of time. I mean, some banks didn't even know what a first position line of credit was. Others did, but when you try to explain to what you wanted to do, they weren't educated on it. So you're right. It was definitely kind of a disaster in the beginning. But once you did join Replace Your Mortgage, did you consider it to be helpful, necessary, to join Replace Your Mortgage in order to get through this process, the first time and get it done right?
Oh yeah. The Replace Your Mortgage staff was very supportive. Being able to have the bank list that gets provided to you, great. But the most important thing is all the education you get from inside the membership area. So as when I went to the bank that I went to, I was already more educated than that banker was, and what he does for a living. And that was just from the education I got inside the program. And then in addition to that, the Facebook group that came with the membership, I go through that daily, and that is very informative, seeing what everyone's doing if they're HELOCs, seeing, and it boosts your confidence, knowing people that are successful using the strategy.
Yeah.
And they went through the same discovery call that I went through to run the numbers, and it's just a confidence booster. And then, our appraisal didn't come in as high as we thought it would. So we weren't able to get that 90% loan to value as high as we thought it would be. And we weren't able to consolidate the car loan that we wanted to consolidate. But so that was kind of frustrating at first, but then I guess it was, shot some emails back and forth with Matt Workman at Mortgage, and he was just like, Paul, the end game is still the same. Everything looks good with your loan, with the interest rate and everything. He's like, I think you should pull the trigger, even though you can't consolidate that car loan, do the math, see how fast it's going to be before you have enough equity to consolidate that as well. And it was only like about 6 months before we had enough equity to be able to consolidate that car loan as well.
That's awesome. Yeah. So something that typically might have discouraged you because
Yep.
you had that support, you had the guidance, you had the education, you were able to move forward with it and still achieve your goals. So that's pretty awesome. Well, good for you, man. Congratulations. So what are some of your future endeavors that now that you know what you know how to leverage the equity in your home, that sort of thing? Like, what are some of your future goals?
I mean, we're now in a pretty good position to start looking into doing some investing using the equity that we have on our home, because now, we have $70,000 that I have total access to grab anytime I need it.
Nice.
And we are also totally debt free. We don't have any debt at all. No credit card debt, no medical bills.
Isn't that a great feeling?
Oh, feels so great. So now, that helps me feel a little more confident going into taking that risk to do some investing, because I don't have to worry about all these bills. Also,
Yeah.
I just concentrate on figuring out a way to utilize this equity that I have that I can use for investing. And I've been learning a lot following the Replace Your Mortgage group, yourself on the investing side, and yeah, man, I'm ready to start doing some stuff.
That's awesome, man. I'm definitely pumped for you. So, anything else you want to add, about Replace Your Mortgage or your experience or anything else?
I like the fact that, we keep getting added value to the Replace Your Mortgage membership area,
Awesome.
and they're not asking for more money. I think that's great. I feel like I'm just getting, I'm getting extra stuff for something I already paid for, which is great. Michael's doing a great job with revamping the website, and he's just starting that affiliate program. That's going to be interesting to see how that pans out. And
Yeah,
maybe
people are ready to join the affiliate program. I can't wait till Michael gets that started.
yeah, I'm looking forward to it. A little maybe side income.
Definitely a side hustle. People
Help speed up this process even faster.
absolutely, man. People take that affiliate program serious. Some people would very easily replace their income. So, well, I just want to thank you for your time today. And then, as always, you ever have any questions, you're pretty active in the group. Reach out to any of us if you need help.
Will do. Appreciate it, Edmund.
All right, buddy. It was good talking to you. Thanks again.
Yep. Talk to you later.